Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. I hope you will have a great Friday. You're watching the Larot. Thank you for being with me this morning. Slowly we go out from this Neptune Sun conjunction, so we started to more and more clearly, and the reality is coming on us again as a heavy, because it's in Aries, as a heavy weight. But let's see what is the useful energy today that my lovely Colorado attacking Poland need in order to have a successful day. This is the most important question right now. Friday, Venus, joy, your body, as I talked about a few weeks ago. Right now, we could say a few weeks ago. So this is the day when you can really take care of yourself as physical body. Very good day to go to beauty salon. Doing some sports as well. Even for the nature, but it's Friday, it's the last working day. Tomorrow it's a weekend already. And good day to have a party. Friday it's much better day to have a party than Saturday, to be honest, astrologically. The best would be Thursday, but nobody going on Thursday to have a party. Okay. So what is the useful energy that my lovely Colorado attacking need in Poland in order to have a successful day? And I'm talking from the basement, as my voice is deep, as I hear. And it's 21st of March, Equino. Today it's Equino. The sun, the moon, but the evening and the night will be the same amount of time. So probably 12 hours light, 12 hours dark. So it's good. Okay, 20 cards, 21 cards. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have the 21st card, the 21 card. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. My task is find the camera, because I cannot find again. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions help to the channel to come up in the YouTube's algorithm and can help others who are lost what's going on right now. And it could help them. If you know anyone then who is in a mess, then please share this video. It could help them as well. Okay, let's see. We have the 21 card. What is the 21st card today? Whatever card it is, it will be on my Instagram account, so you can read the full description of this card. Let's see how it can help. What is the useful energy that my lovely Colorado attacking Poland need in order to have a successful day? Okay. It's a bit confused. It's called Hanged Man, but this Hanged Man is reversed. Yes, this is how it looks like when it's not reversed. But now it's reversed again. This week we had a reverse card, I think. Hanged Man reversed. It's an Aquarius, revolutionary. You see, he's not hanged, he's standing hanged. So this is a revolutionary. It's a new perspective given to him. His god name is Menuke. And the Hanged Man asks you to do not give up, because when you're the Hanged Man, usually it's asking you to change your perspective and can representing the situation when you cannot move, when you cannot do anything, or you don't need to do anything. Now it's reversed, and it's asking that do not give up, go further. Yesterday we had the ambition card, the Devil. It's another major arcane actually. And now it's asking you, this is 12. Yes, it's the 12. 12th major arcana. 12th is very good. Capelites. For Capelites, perfect, but usually you can divide 3, it's 4, so it's Mathematically, it's a perfect number. Um, and 21st, and this is 12. 2, 1, 1, 2. Anyway, so it's asking you to do not give up, even if you feel that you cannot move. Just go, move on. Don't stop. Don't stop. Move on. That's not forcing card. He's not asking you to force like the devil, the ambition to do anyway. Go through and jump up to the hill like a real goat Capricorn. But don't stop. Move. Take the possibilities, what you can do, how you can do. And his hand is in his heart, so this feeling is coming from heart. It's not mind, it's heart. When he's smiling, I love his smiling. As you see, he's happy that he's saying, because another meaning of the hanged man when he's hanging, that he sacrificed himself for something. Yeah, and this is another one, that you don't sacrifice yourself for anything which is not coming from heart. If it's coming from heart, it's another question. But if it's not coming from your heart, then don't sacrifice yourself. Okay? So move on, go further, look the possibilities. Don't let to sacrifice you anyone. Don't let anyone to sacrifice you. Stay yourself. Be with yourself. Anything's coming from heart, it's coming from heart. And yeah, quickly, yeah. That's c'est ça d'aujourd'hui. I would like to wish you a very happy and peaceful Friday. Enjoy your Friday. Merci. Au revoir. Belle journée. À demain.